Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to add an avatar or profile picture on ClickUp. So go ahead and open ClickUp and sign into your ClickUp account. Then click your profile at the top right. Then go to Settings. Then from here, go to your profile and click the avatar section. So click your profile picture. So once you click that, here you can change color. Then down here, you can upload avatar. So click Upload Avatar to upload your image. Click Upload once more at the top right. Then choose an image. Then click on Open. Resize it if you need to. Then click on Save. So once done, click on Save Changes. Next, you can also change your name in here. You can change your email address and change your password. You can also enable two-factor authentication. Then once done, click Save Changes. Then go back to the main page. Reload the page if you have to, then click your profile at the top right. So as you can see, we have now changed our profile. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.